Okay, so how to insert the Peso sign in Word? So first of all, let's change font. We'll change to Tahoma. Okay, it's done. Now let's make it bigger so we can see everything. Now I will type this sign, so 20B1 in Tahoma, and select it. And we'll click on the keyboard Alt X at the same time. And we will have now Peso sign. So this is how it works, like guys. This is the most fastest way. There is also another way. So click on Insert, click on Symbol, click on More Symbols. Here we need to change font. So I will select normal text, and subset I will also change to currency symbols. So here we can see Peso sign and also some other symbols. So confirm, click insert, click close. So two methods.